Grundfos Sololift2 C-offre offers 360-degree vertical and horizontal discharge and inlet access. This gives you maximum flexibility, even for installations or replacements in confined spaces. The start level can be adjusted for control of when the pump starts. On high level, the pump will start later, reducing the amount of starts. This is ideal for applications such as dishwashers, washing machines, and bathtubs. On low level, the pump will start sooner, which can prevent backflow in shower applications. The unit can withstand 90-degree water temperatures for up to 30 minutes, making it perfect for washing machines. The C-offre features a flexible internal coupling, which reduces noise and vibrations and simplifies servicing. The C-offre has free passage to handle solid particles up to 20 mm and has a sloped design that prevents sedimentation. The emergency draining system facilitates servicing, and the entire unit has been designed for easy access if servicing should be required. It's the Sololift2 C-offre from Grundfos.